Why are we spending so much on beauty products when a few natural ingredients can do the same thing? Or honestly, sometimes better. And here's the crazy part. What if your favorite beauty blend costs less than your morning coffee? Stay tuned because this episode is all about those beauty and skincare hacks that make your skin glow, simplify your beauty routine, and make your self-care feel a little more luxurious without the fancy price tags. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast. Hey, Sparkling One, I'm your host, Dee Diaz. And before we dive in, quick reminder, if you missed the first 2 episodes of this Essential Oil Hacks mini-series, go check those out first. Each one builds on the last, and I don't want you to miss out on any of the fun. Today, we're switching gears a little and heading straight into talking about beauty and skincare. So get cozy, grab your favorite drink, and pretend we're having a little spa moment together. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. My skin and I have had conversations, real, honest conversations. You know the kind where you look in the mirror in the morning and your skin just gives you that expression like, girl, what happened to you? One day, I woke up, looked in the mirror, and realized my skin was looking tired. Like it needed a vacation, a pep talk, and maybe a green juice. Yeah, definitely some green juice. So, you know how much I love essential oils, and I started experimenting with them slowly, gently, one drop at a time. And suddenly, my skin perked up. That's when I knew people need these hacks, and I have 6 for you today. For hack number 1, let's start with my number 1 beauty oil, lavender, for skin calm and overnight radiance. Well, actually, it's my number 2 essential oil. My number 1 essential oil for beauty and skincare is definitely frankincense. But last week, we spoke about how essential oils can save you money, and lavender is definitely number 1 in affordability. If your skin gets irritated, red, stressed, or you just want that soft, rested look, add 1 drop of lavender to your nighttime moisturizer. Just one, because remember, these essential oils are certified pure, tested grade essential oils. So they're extremely concentrated, and a little goes a long way. This is the gentle whisper of skincare, not the shout. You'll wake up with skin that looks calmer and feels smoother, like it actually slept 8 hours. Another way I use lavender is by placing just 1 drop of lavender essential oil in my mascara tube. It can make volumes of difference for your eyelashes. It can help promote healthy lashes that look longer and thicker. And lavender is cleansing, so it also keeps your mascara wand clean. And as a bonus, it can help prevent mascara from clumping. Hack number 2 is tea tree for blemishes. Tea tree is the friend who tells you the truth and helps you clean up your life. Just dab 1 drop on blemishes with a cotton swab, or dilute it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil if you have sensitive skin. It helps keep things clean, calm, and under control without drying your face out. It's also great for eye makeup residue. You know how eyeliner and eyeshadow are both infamous for leaving behind greasy residue even after cleaning? Well, tea tree essential oil makes a great facial cleaner. It cleanses and purifies, and it's gentle on even the most sensitive parts of skin, such as the eye area. You're going to dilute it with fractionated coconut oil and place it in a roller bottle for easy application. Just be careful, don't get it in your eyes. Now, if you think lavender and tea tree are great, combined, they're amazing. So for hack number 3, I'm going to give you a recipe for a steam facial with lavender and tea tree. When you want an inexpensive at-home facial that feels like heaven, just boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and add 1 drop of lavender and 1 drop of tea tree essential oil. Then lean over the bowl with a towel covering your head and breathe for 3 to 5 minutes. Your pores will open, your skin will soften, and your stress will melt. Honestly, it's the whole experience. Hack number 4 is copaiba for plump and supple skin. Listen, copaiba is a treasure. It's a hidden gem. It's a best kept secret. If you don't already have this essential oil in your collection, what you waiting for? Just add a drop to your moisturizer or your face oil and massage it in. I especially like using coconut, argan, or jojoba oil for this. It gives this soft, plump, healthy look to your skin, like a natural glow-up filter. Every time I use it, my skin says, "Oh, we're doing this? Okay, I'm ready." Hack number 5 is the peppermint for plumper lips. Yes, really. This one is fun. If you want a natural lip plump without the tingles of regret some products give you, try this. Add 1 drop of peppermint essential oil to your lip balm, just 1, and rub your lips together. Instant, natural fullness and a fresh minty feel. Just don't overdo it. This is a 1-drop diva moment for sure. Hack number 6 is geranium for glowy, balanced skin. Geranium is the queen of balance. You have dry skin? Geranium. You have oily skin? Geranium. Are you looking for that rosy glow? Geranium. Just add a drop to your moisturizer or make a simple face mist with water, witch hazel, and 3 to 5 drops of geranium. Your skin will look fresh and alive, even if you stayed up too late watching your Netflix marathon. Here's the beautiful thing about essential oils in skincare. You don't need 27 products. You just need a few high-quality essential oils that support your skin's natural radiance. And whether you're dealing with dullness, breakouts, irritation, or just wanting to feel a little extra fabulous and sparkling, there's an essential oil for that. Okay, Sparkling One, if you loved today's episode, hit that follow or subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode of this mini-series, where we'll discuss essential oil hacks for emotional support and daily well-being. If you want to pick up any of the oils I talked about today, check out my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the show and it means the world to me. And please come join our free community, the Sparkling Life Holistic Health Hub. It's where we talk self-care, wellness, nutrition, essential oils, glow-ups, and all things that make your life sparkle. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next episode. Sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support to keep this passion project shining. You can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.